What's good, BK?
Two.
Where everybody from? I heard Jersey earlier. Anybody from the BX? No, just Brooklyn. Oh, one. We have one. Okay. These are more front. Throw that shit on. This is Whispers. Put the mic up.
It's something like this. Everybody participate with us.
Put your motherfucking hands up. Put your motherfucking hands up. Hands up.
Right. This is that trap spot, murder shit, back black, surf a brick, clap, cops swerve whip them off. Thinking with my black top services, my crack spot, running in my Mac pop, murder licking toes. Nigga, let one off, 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 let one off. Nigga, let one off, 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 let one off. This is that culinary guard, Kevin Swiss, Master Alpha black dope, white coat, cooking up a can of play, oven on chef with the aroma of death, the block switching like the street into rats, four corners on lightning, triangle, not so evil bird, heavy strap, over 100 liters, so that bone up at that levy crack, put a foot on my turf and I make your mama sad, had that nigga vanish from Riverside, Piranha bath, they say I'm stupid with the flow, so flame retarded, black top decorated, fuck the law, shoot out with the cops, headshots, that's a long snooze, limitless tour, my back block businesses, posted on the strip between hollow tip and body bag, where the demons dwell, Jesus get their hustle on, living in some privilege, but they're slipping like a fucking song, only the strong know the bruising up parameter, vows, a motley crew in green room full of cannabis, shit on the show, you the jerk and be a goon from the womb, my mother caught a felony, this is that trap spot, murder shit, back black, surf a brick, clap, cops, further whip them off, nigga with my black top services, my crack spot, burning in my Mac pop, hurting licking toes, nigga let one off, 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 nigga let one off, 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 let one off,
Take the call from West. He said I'm back to get you back to shit. I got niggas who's acting for the pain like they were masochists. On some classic shit. Crackers with proceeds to stash the whip. Show them what they inside of the casket is. You rather Chris? I said of course, but I'm electrical. So with some broken tires. Full fixing these faulty rivals. Put to sleep with no pajamas. Or better yet, let's go with lightning strikes. Body snaps to afterlife. Force the hand and score. So then we shadow lights and grow. Supernatural, magical, hacking dudes like we cannibals. Hannibal types of attitude. Appetite to the end. Slammer dude, that's a shadow. Thinking that he can challenge you. Shit is actual. Let's show him what the masses do. Bringing through the opposition. We flood the vision. Eclipsing the competition. You're pissing. That's my condition. I'm just no common mission. No quitting. They end up missing. And victims no lots of pissing. Thinking about this finding village. We getting like 20 minutes.
this is that trap spot, murder shit, back black, surf a brick, like cops swerve to whip them off, nigga with my black top, services my crack spot, burning in my Mac pop, hurting licking toes, nigga let one off, 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 nigga let one off, 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 this is that